what's up? My name is Amir, and in today's video I'm going to be installing a brand new mod on my C7 Corvette. But before I get into the video, I got to make some room in the garage. So we got to move these cars behind me so I can pull out the Corvette, park it in the middle, get some room so I can work underneath it, and soon enough I'll show you guys what I'm doing today. So I'm really excited for today's mod. I feel like I should have done this like years ago. I don't know why I didn't. It's really not that expensive of a mod, and I just kept dragging it on and on and on. And one of the subscribers on the channel recommended it a few months back, and I did promise him that I'm going to take care of it and that I'm going to put it on there. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. Here's a box. All right. So it's not a big box, but you guys can see, this is the Z06 front rail, and honestly guys, it wasn't even expensive. It was literally $100 shipped. It comes painted already, the same color as the rest of the trim. So for $100 bucks, it's one of the top mods that you should do on your C7 Corvette. Plus I forget what the specs were, but GM does have verified numbers that it does increase airflow, it increases cooling, so it's also a performance mod. So for $100 you get a performance mod and your car looks much better. This is why I had to pull the car into the garage. And I still gotta lift up the front end so I can get a little bit of clearance underneath it so I can get that bumper completely off and replace the grill on the car. So let's go check out the original grill. I could just picture it right now. It would just make the car pop even more and look much, much better. I might have enough room to do it without actually using a jack, you know, or jack stands or whatnot. I'm so excited. I mean, I feel like, you know, doing the side skirts and front lip and the wing. This is the last piece that I feel like was stock on the car. One of them ended up just sliding, so I'm gonna have to redo it. That side lifted up pretty well, and then the other one just didn't catch. Damn, I'm already sweating and I haven't even started working. It is a little bit hot today. I did watch a few videos online. There was a ton of them actually, of how to remove the bumper. I have never done it on this car. I was gonna turn this video into a how-to video, but you know, I didn't want to do a how-to video for you guys. And there's plenty of how-to videos online. They're really detailed, and I felt like, you know, there's really no need to do that. Here's my handy dandy professional floor carpet mat. Let me see what these clips are. So the online said to take off these covers. They pop off. Oh, there you go. I'm just kind of, I don't know, this is kind of like therapy for me, working on cars. I enjoy working on cars. So hot right here. Thank God the car is not really fully warmed up. Flat screwdriver for these ones right here. Sometimes these break so easy. When I'm taking, I need some pliers. But yeah, those break so easy sometimes. Even when you're careful, it's crazy. I've had to replace so many of them, not on this car, but other cars I worked on. There we go, come on. And I don't have the prying tool. There's a prying tool for this. There it is. Get underneath it. There it is, come on. Loosen these ones, there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. You guys should let me know if you want to see more videos like this, you know, me chilling, working the car. There we go, got one. They say just to pull a little bit. All right here. Let's see. It's supposed to pop right there. Okay. Did it pop up top? Oh, okay, there you go. By the way, for all of you guys who have never seen underneath my car, see, this is the intercooler right here. That's the intercooler, it's flat mounted. And there's a scoop up here, if you guys can see that. See that scoop? It draws air into it. And that's for the supercharger. Yeah, there's one right here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Alright. Okay. Okay, I popped it up. That was not that hard. And they said you're kind of supposed to wiggle and pull on it. I just don't want to break it. Okay, there you go. That wasn't that bad. Same thing on this side. You got this little clip, you push it up, and then it comes right off. Oh man. Okay. Okay, bumpers. Just don't want to scratch it. Alright, here we go. We'll grab one of these stands I have up here. Okay, and then I gotta remove these clips and pop the old grill out. Let's do that. Okay, these clips come off. Might be easier if I, just because it won't balance. It's always a bitch to do this, trust me guys. Okay. And that is it. And this is what it looks like. This one, I can't wait to see this. It's so sick. So it pops in right here. It's always easier putting him on than taking him off. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you do want to put these plates on because they actually cover this front part of the car that is really kind of ugly looking. So it covers this part right here. So it covers that part, and the venting is actually for this part right here. And that is why I put the Z06 one on. This is the actual vent, so it pushes air that way. And I've had multiple people on Instagram, on Facebook, message me thinking that, hey, this is not gonna look right, it won't fit because it's $100, it's not OEM. Nowadays these companies are so good, they can replicate parts like to a T, and it's perfect. So you don't have to always go with an OEM grill, because the OEM grill for this car is like $600. Why spend that? Nobody gonna be able to tell the difference. All right, so I got everything on there. I put the plates on there. Remember to put these clips back on there. All right, like this. Put this one on here too. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything back on there. I'm not gonna film that process. It's just gonna be whatever I did, reverse that. So I'm gonna put everything back on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, and I hope that you did enjoy today's video. I still don't understand why I waited about 3 years to do this mod. I kind of just overlooked it. It didn't really matter to me. And I feel like this is a must mod for anybody who has a base model C7 Corvette. It does improve airflow, it does improve cooling. So you're getting two things. You're getting the looks part and you're getting the performance part all in one price. And like I said, it's $100. I bought it on eBay. It looks identical to the OEM. The finish of the paint is amazing. And anybody looking for the same grill that I purchased, just go on eBay and type in C7 front grill, and you'll see the same post on there for about $100, and that is with shipping. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos just like this. I enjoy making videos like this because I like working on my own car, spending time in the garage, not the typical videos that I usually do with the how-to videos and bunch of music and everything like that, but just kind of more like a vlog type of setup video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. And I'm not done working on the Corvette yet. There's more mods coming on the way, so I do have something else planned for that front grill, so stay tuned for the next upload. And if you did enjoy today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.